In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check your iPhone storage capacity and how much is remaining. First of all, open Settings apps. Scroll down and tab on General. At the top you will find About. Click on it. Here under Capacity you will get your iPhone total storage capacity. In my case it is 256 gigabytes. Under Available you will get how much space is free. If you want more detailed storage view, then go back and then click on iPhone storage. This page shows storage breakdown for apps, photos and videos, media, iOS and system data. You can see here the breakdown of each part. This bar visually represents the total storage capacity and the used space. You can see here how much each apps has occupied. At the bottom it will show you how much your iOS and system data is taking your iPhone storage. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.